Welcome to Sailracerpro Live Racing Mode. Live Racing Mode uses a map-based interface to display your position and that of other racers after joining a live race. When you open Live Racing Mode, enable Keep Screen Awake to force regular GPS position updates, then set the approximate wind direction when prompted. If using a mobile phone, tapping the top left corner of the screen will force full screen. Tap top center to force track up or north up, and tap top right to adjust wind direction. It is recommended to use full screen and enable screen lock on your phone to prevent screen rotations. To activate navigation steering cues, at the bottom of the screen, click on Tool, Route, Nav. Select the desired route and press Save. Nav steering provides relative steering cues in degrees left or right of current track and distance to waypoint at the top of the screen, with manual waypoint controls to the middle right or lower left of your screen depending on screen size. Waypoints automatically increment, provided you pass within 50 meters of the currently selected waypoint. The green speed readout, which appears along the direct path from your position to the selected waypoint, is VMG directly to that waypoint. To exit navigation mode, click on Tool, Route, Nav, and then press Save. To use Race Countdown mode, click Race. Enter countdown minutes and then press Set Race Countdown. Clicking Start will commence the countdown at the top of the screen. Press Start Line and either draw the start line onto the map or press Save Start A as you pass one end of the line and Save Start B as you pass the other end. If adding an upwind mark for windward-leeward courses, ensure you use true bearing and distance to the top mark. The map has a dotted line showing distance in meters and time taken in seconds at current speed to reach the closest part of the start line. Use this when approaching the start line from outside the ends of the start line. Pressing Hack during countdown adjusts the countdown time to the nearest whole minute. You have access to the same start cues when your navigation route starts with waypoint type Start A and Start B. At the top of the screen, VMG required is the speed required to cross the start line at exactly 90 degrees crossing angle with 2 seconds to go. VMG actual is your current speed component that is crossing that start line at 90 degrees. If starting between the ends of the start line, VMG is more useful. If starting from outside the ends of the start line, then the map distance and time to reach the start line end may be more beneficial. There are slight delays built into speed calculations to minimize signal noise and attempt arrival around 2 seconds to go. Tacking and layline feedback is disabled during the start sequence. Recording is automatic once race countdown has started, and navigation steering cues will return once the countdown is complete. Training mode features a port starboard circle, white dashed track extension, with left and right layline tack angle cues. As maneuvers are completed and track is steady, the tack and jibe angles are calculated and displayed along with audio cues. If in race countdown or navigation mode, time to layline is displayed just outside the port starboard circle, in minutes and seconds to the nearest layline path and additional audio cues will also be generated. To join a race, click Live and Join or Spectate, and either browse to select the race or enter the exact details to join a hidden race. Races can only be joined up to 30 minutes prior to the start time, and racers must be inside the geofenced zone in order to join. Recordings saved when live racing with others will include all other racer tracks that join during the race period. Only one race can be created, joined, or spectated at a time. Duplicate race or boat names within a race are not accepted.
Virtual coach activated.
Other racers will appear on the course as their positions are uploaded live. Racers can be enlarged or hidden, and if joining a race with a published course, the course will automatically load. Training, race countdown, navigation, and other tools all remain functional while in live mode. The Live button is used to create, join, or spectate in live racing with other people. Before creating a race, if you wish to pass your default waypoints or your active navigation route to other racers, ensure either the default waypoints or navigation route is active before entering live mode. To create a race, click on Live and ensure your map is centered in the middle of the race area, then click Proceed. Enter the race name, start time, duration, a geofence that covers the entire race area, and decide whether to allow spectators, use a password, or select Public Race to allow other users to find the race in the race list. The race is now available to be joined up to 30 minutes prior to the start time. That covers the main features of live racing mode. To request a new feature or to get in touch, click the FB button and send in your comments.